I'm going to teach you how to avoid LinkedIn restrictions. Navigating LinkedIn effectively and in accordance with its guidelines is crucial to making the most out of your experience on this powerful professional platform. To begin, start by heading over to linkedin.com. Once you arrive at the homepage, the process to log in is straightforward. You have the option to sign in using your Google or Microsoft account. Alternatively, you can choose to enter your email address and password. For those who have enabled two-factor authentication, be prepared as LinkedIn might send a verification code to your phone. Having your phone close at hand will allow you to promptly verify your account and proceed with your activities seamlessly. To circumvent any LinkedIn restrictions, it's important to prioritize genuine engagement with the community. Make it a point to consistently adhere to the platform's guidelines, avoiding any actions that could be perceived as spammy behavior. A significant part of this involves steering clear of automation tools that may violate LinkedIn's terms of service. Although automation might appear to be a quick way to increase network connections or manage messages, utilizing these tools can result in your account being flagged or even restricted, which is the exact situation we aim to avoid. When it comes to sending messages, be sure to avoid generic templates. Instead, take the time to craft messages that are personalized and suited to the recipient's profile. Consider any shared interests or mutual connections you might have. This tailored approach not only boosts the likelihood of receiving a positive response, but it also fortifies your network by fostering genuine relationships. Another effective way to maintain an active presence is by posting regularly. Ensure that the content you create and share is both engaging and informative, providing real value to the LinkedIn community. This could take the form of industry insights, thought-provoking articles, or even personal experiences. As you contribute meaningful content, you will not only enhance your personal brand but also encourage richer interactions with your posts. Engagement does not stop at posting content. Take the initiative to comment thoughtfully on posts, join ongoing discussions, and strive to build lasting connections with other users. By participating actively and thoughtfully in these interactions, you'll not only solidify your presence on LinkedIn, but you'll also gain varied perspectives that enrich your understanding of your industry. Furthermore, ensure that your LinkedIn profile reflects accuracy and authenticity. This encompasses updating your work experiences, listing relevant skills, and maintaining a current, professional profile photo. An authentic profile builds trust and opens doors to meaningful networking opportunities. Finally, approach your networking activities with care. While it's beneficial to expand your network, refrain from sending excessive connection requests or participating in mass messaging endeavors. Such behavior can be interpreted as spammy and might lead LinkedIn to impose restrictions on your account. By following these guidelines, you'll secure a positive, enriching experience on LinkedIn. Engage genuinely, contribute meaningfully, and continue to build a strong professional network while steering clear of restrictions.